How to fix Burgling Gnomes crashing on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you've been trying to play Burgling Gnomes on Steam, but the game keeps crashing on you and you have absolutely no idea why. Super frustrating, especially when you just want to sit down and enjoy the game. Don't worry though, in this video I'm going to walk you through all the fixes you need to try to get Burgling Gnomes running smoothly again. Let's get into it. Fix 1. Verify game files. The very first thing you should always do when any Steam game is crashing is verify the integrity of the game files. Sometimes files get corrupted during download or after an update, and that alone can cause constant crashes. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find Burgling Gnomes in your list, right-click on it and select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan all the game files and automatically replace anything that's missing or corrupted. Once it's done, try launching the game again and see if the crashing stops. Fix 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of game crashes across all PC games, and Burgling Gnomes is no exception. If your GPU drivers haven't been updated in a while, they may not be compatible with the game's current version. If you have an NVIDIA card, go to nvidia.com and download the latest driver for your GPU model. If you have an AMD card, head to AMD.com and do the same. Install the update, restart your PC, and then try launching the game again. This fix alone solves crashing issues for a huge number of players. Fix 3. Run the game as administrator. Sometimes Steam games crash simply because they don't have the right system permissions to access certain files or resources on your PC. Running the game as administrator can fix this instantly. Go to your Steam library, right-click on Burgling Gnomes and select Properties. Click on Local Files and then Browse. This opens the game's installation folder. Find the main game executable file, right-click on it, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK, then launch it through Steam and see if the crashes are gone. Fix 4. Check for game updates. This one sounds obvious, but a lot of people miss it. Make sure Burgling Gnomes is fully up to date. Developers frequently push patches to fix crashes and bugs reported by the community. Open Steam, go to your library, click on Burgling Gnomes, and check if there's an update waiting. If there is, let it download completely and then launch the game. If automatic updates are turned off for the game, go to Properties, click on Updates, and make sure automatic updates are enabled so you're always on the latest version. Fix 5. Lower your graphics settings. If the game is crashing mid-session rather than on launch, it could be your system struggling to handle the graphics load. Open Burgling Gnomes and head into the graphics or video settings. Lower the resolution, turn off anti-aliasing, reduce shadow quality, and disable any advanced visual effects like ambient occlusion or motion blur. Even dropping 1 or 2 settings can make a big difference in stability. Once you've lowered the settings, play for a bit and see if the crashes stop. You can always gradually turn settings back up one at a time to find the sweet spot. Fix 6. Close background applications. Having too many programs running in the background while gaming can eat up your RAM and CPU resources and cause games to crash unexpectedly. Before launching Burgling Gnomes, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look through the list of running processes and close anything you don't need. Browsers with lots of tabs open. Discord if you're not using it. Streaming software, download managers. Anything that's using significant memory or CPU. Give your system as many free resources as possible before launching the game. Fix 7. Disable Steam Overlay. The Steam Overlay is a handy feature, but it's also known to cause crashes in certain games. It's worth disabling it for Burgling Gnomes to see if it's the culprit. In your Steam library, right-click on Burgling Gnomes and go to Properties. Under the General tab, you'll see a checkbox that says Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Uncheck that box and close the Properties window. Now launch the game and see if the crashing persists without the overlay running. Fix 8. Reinstall DIRECTX and Visual C++ plus REDISTRIBUTABLES. Burgling Gnomes, like most PC games, relies on DirectX and Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables to run properly. If these are outdated or corrupted, it can cause all kinds of crashing issues. You can find the DirectX installer by searching for the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer on Microsoft's website. For Visual C++ redistributables, go to Microsoft's official download page and grab the latest versions for both x64 and x86. Install both, restart your PC, and try the game again. Fix 9. Reinstall the game if you've tried everything so far and the game is still crashing. A clean reinstall is your next best move. Go to your Steam library, right-click on Burgling Gnomes and select Manage, then Uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, go to your installation folder and make sure all remaining files have been deleted. Then reinstall the game fresh from Steam. A clean install eliminates any deeply corrupted files that the Verify tool might have missed and often resolves persistent crash issues. Fix 10. Report the issue to the developer. If absolutely nothing has worked so far, there's a chance you're dealing with a bug that's specific to your system configuration or a broader issue the developer hasn't patched yet. Head over to the Burgling Gnomes Steam page and click on the Community Hub. Check the discussions section to see if other players are reporting the same crash. If they are, you'll likely find workarounds shared by the community there. If not, post your own thread describing your issue, your PC specs, and what you've already tried. You can also contact the developer directly through the Steam support page to report the crash so they can look into a fix. And those are all the fixes for Burgling Gnomes crashing on Steam. Work through them one by one starting from the top, and you should find the one that solves it for you. Verify your files first, update your drivers, run as administrator, and go from there. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming fix guides. Drop a comment below letting me know which fix worked for you. It helps other players in the same situation. See you in the next one.